CPI today and the market pumped up. You can see we closed up 0.32%, and I currently have SPY puts. The reason that I took this position is that the S&P 500 has bounced off of the support level that we were expecting at around $510, and it has pushed up in the past 8 days 6.5%. In most cases, what will happen is price will reject within this market bias level, which is this red indicator here. This level also lines up with our institutional selling level. If you guys understand Fibonacci levels in market structure, we know that in most cases in a sell-off, price will sell off, bounce back up into this golden pocket level, which is where we are right now. And this area is considered our institutional sell level. This is the level in which we will see Wall Street start to take all of the profits that they acquired down at this bounce back on the 5th of August. The last level that we'll normally reject at is called our OTE, which is the 0.826 Fibonacci. This is called the smart money level. And the reason that this is smart money is because while institutions start to take profits here, it is between this level that we see big money start to open put positions. This is a very important level within a market's cycle because this is usually going to be where the trapping happens. Everybody who was buying up this dip back here under $520, and even the people who didn't get to buy in there, they think that price is going to just continue to move its way up to all-time highs, which definitely could happen, right? Just because something has happened in the past or market structure like this usually holds does not mean that this has to happen. This is just what usually occurs, and that's why I trade this, because the probability is high but doesn't have to occur. Price will usually come up into the smart money level and reject. This is why I opened my put position. I believe that price will reject within this range, worst case maybe hit $550, before selling back off somewhere to around $520 to $522. Now, the reason I think that we're going to bounce from there is because if we zoom out to a weekly chart, you're going to notice that the S&P 500 is still holding weekly market structure. It's funny because everybody thinks that I'm a perma bear or a perma bull, but if you actually watch all of my content, you know that when price was selling off and we were trading around 512 and 516, I was doing nothing but saying to buy the dip here and on X. And the reason for that is that we bounce off of this market bias in most cases. The reason that I'm saying I think that there's a short-term rejection here is because of this market bias level. If we're able to take this out and break over $552, that will confirm the breakout back up to all-time highs. The very last thing that we have to look at, which is going to be very, very important, is this Friday's close. You're going to notice that on the weekly chart, this candle will close on Friday. As of right now, this is a very, very bullish close, but we still have 2 more days of price action and trading left. So if price were to close like this, then we are going to confirm the breakout back up to 568 and about $572, because the BX trender will be closing with higher lows. And last time this happens, and in most cases when we close like this, we will see a rally back up into all-time highs. So if this Friday closes just like this, there's a chance that price will continue to run. But what I think will most likely happen is we will get one more rejection. Price will pull back down into this 520 level. That will be the level that will hold, and we'll see the S&P 500 continue to run through October and November. I hope this video helped, guys. If you want to learn my exact 2-step trading strategy, you can take all of our courses. They're completely free. The link is in the description. The market bias course is the one that goes over my exact indicators, why I use them, all my proprietary settings, and real world examples. And if you want to trade with me each and every single day, get access to my real-time trades and updates, you can join our Discord community and our private mentorship group. The link is in the description. Thanks for all the support, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.